When we walked into the house we purchased, I was only 10 feet into the house and I began to have tears in my eyes because I knew this was the house we'd been looking for 2 years. We're Robin and Tamie Joyner, and we live at Sunset Ridge.
We are retired and moved from California. So we really didn't have specifically a location or a place, but we watched the internet and gave information to our realtor, which was who found homes for us, just based off of the needs and likes and dislikes and things that we had. Came in unfamiliar with Tabor Homes and fell in love with Tabor Homes when we walked into them. Everything was perfectly laid out, the open concept that we were looking for, and their tagline of proudly overbuilt just really struck a chord with us. For the first couple of weeks, we would be in awe of the home. We loved it so much. And now that we've been there 2 months, we still sit there and say, I love my home. I love this home. An acre and a half of just beautiful sunsets in the evenings, beautiful sunrises in the mornings. We would highly recommend it to our friends and families that may be coming from out of state like we did. It's a affordable lifestyle to live here, and it's you get so much more than just a home. You get a community in the little towns that are here.
We have highly recommended to people who are looking to buy a home to come look at Sunset Ridge, and if not there, look at another Tabor home.